Welcome to Cook Master Tips. Today, we're making keto churros with chocolate sauce. Crispy, golden bites with a rich, sugar-free chocolate dip that's perfect for a low-carb indulgence. Let's get started. Ingredients: 1/2 cup almond flour, 1/4 cup coconut flour, 1/4 teaspoon baking powder, 1/2 cup water, 2 tablespoons butter, 1 tablespoon granulated erythritol, 1 large egg, 1/2 teaspoon vanilla extract, cinnamon and sweetener mix for dusting, sugar-free chocolate sauce for dipping. Directions: in a saucepan, bring water, butter, and granulated erythritol to a simmer. Remove from heat and stir in almond flour, coconut flour, and baking powder until a dough forms. Let the dough cool slightly, then mix in the egg and vanilla extract until smooth. Transfer the dough to a piping bag fitted with a star tip. Pipe the dough into churro shapes on a parchment-lined baking sheet. Bake at 375 degrees Fahrenheit, 190 degrees Celsius, for 15 to 20 minutes until golden and crispy. Roll the churros in the cinnamon and sweetener mix while still warm. Serve with sugar-free chocolate sauce for dipping. Prep time: 10 minutes. Cooking time: 20 minutes. Total time: 30 minutes. Kcal: 140 kilocalories. Servings: 8 churros. Dish presentation: these keto churros are the perfect combination of crispy, golden exteriors and a soft, doughy center, all while being low-carb and sugar-free. Coated in a delightful cinnamon sweetener mix, they offer the classic churro experience without the carbs. Paired with a rich, sugar-free chocolate sauce, these churros make for an indulgent snack or dessert that stays keto-friendly. Quick and easy to prepare, these churros are ideal for satisfying sweet cravings while staying on track with your diet. Whether enjoyed as a snack or served at a gathering, they are sure to be a hit with everyone, keto or not. In the end, don't miss out on our latest recipes and cooking tips. Subscribe to our YouTube channel, Cook Master Tips, for more delicious content.